Hi, good morning everyone. What happens? You're still in office and your friend called you for the party. Mind is saying finish the work and go back to home. But your heart is saying I want to attend the party. How can I manage it with the one look? Don't worry, I'm here. I can help you. A quick, easy peasy tutorial. Just take one palette and three eyeshadow. That's it. So let's start with the daytime look. So daytime look, pick a brown color eyeshadow from your palette which should be little bit matching to your skin tone and it's a little bit darker, not that much. And just draw a line from above your crease line and spread it with the clean brush. Done. Then pick a peach color eyeshadow, light color, and spread it in the lid of the eye. And spread it, mix it, spread it, done. Remember to blend it well to create a seamless transition. Try experimenting with different textures and finishes. Draw eyeliner and finishes with look with mascara and kajal and done. That is daytime look. Next, pick little bit brown eyeshadow from your palette and smudge it along with your kajal to give a seamless finishing look. Now you can see the eye look is completed. It's done. How quick it is, right? Only two eyeshadow. Now to end of this full look, you just need to apply the dark color lip liner and draw the borderline of your lip, and the light color, little bit light color brown. So pick light color brown lipstick and smudge it with your finger, and that's it. It's done. Now the daytime is look completed. You can see how good and so now your friend call and you have to go for the party. So how do you transition this look? I don't want to change the base. I do not have any time. How will I attend the party? This so simple. Only one eyeshadow, the same eyeshadow from the same palette, no changes. So here are some videos and pictures I have taken for your reference for the daytime look. Now let's start with the night look. So for the night look, you need one shimmery eyeshadows which you need to apply on the top of matte brown shade. You can also use a shimmery highlighter on the inner corner of your eyes and under your brow bone to add some sparkle. Adding a touch of glitter or metallic eyeshadow in the center of your eyelids can also create a more glamorous evening look. But what I did, instead of applying little bit, I spread all my glitter eyeshadow on my eyelid and little bit golden eyeshadow on my inner corner of the eyes. To finish up this look, just remove the brown color lipstick which you applied on the daytime. Add the vibrant color of lipstick because anyway it is party, right? Dance is attractive. So draw a lip liner, dark color lip liner, and finish with the red lipstick. Now you can see how it turns out. You see that the night look is also completed. How easy peasy. You no need to do any extra. You no need to remove your daytime eye look. No need to remove your base. Nothing. And if your skin is getting oily, just apply a matte powder to reduce the excess sebum from around your nose and down to your mouth. Look, it's completed. The look is finished. I didn't apply any extra things. just did the transition from day look to night look, and the rest of the things is remain same, no changes. Here some are the pictures you can refer and videos. It might help you. One quick tip, suggest using a damp brush to apply the shimmer eyeshadow for a more intense and pigmented look. Hope you like this tutorial. You can try at your home. Thank you very much and see you on next tutorial. Bye.